Got me falling right back.
What's up, beauties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've never seen my face before, my name's Courtneyb, and I'd like to welcome you here. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, hey girl, welcome back. So I know I look really crazy, like hella crazy, because I only have brows on, and I'm looking a bit rough today. I just woke up and decided, hey, I want to get on camera and get ready with you guys. So as you can tell, I want to do my everyday makeup routine for you, and I switched up my routine a couple times, but I think I have a set routine that I actually like. It's like my go-to makeup whenever I want to do my makeup and go out, like to run errands or anything, I do this makeup. So if you would like to get ready with me and go from busted and crusted to cute or whatever, just keep on watching. So first, I'm going to prime my face, and I'm going to be using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, and I just spray this all over my face. I've been using this product for about a year now, and I really do think it helps with making my makeup stay on my face and last longer, in my opinion, because some people think that it's just water in the container, but I actually think it works. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and I'm just going to be putting that in my T-zone where I have like enlarged pores and stuff. Oh yeah, before I forget, when I did my brows, I used the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade number 5. And to carve out my brows, I used the e.l.f. 16 Hour Wear Camo Concealer in the shade Rich Chocolate to carve them out. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Too Faced Peach Perfect Foundation in the shade Coffee. And I got this when I went to the Sephora VIB sale, and like, this foundation is so bomb. Like, it lasts all day. And then I'm going to be blending that out with my Morphe M439 brush. After I have that all blended out, I will be going in with 2 concealers, and the 2 concealers I'm going to be going in with is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer and the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. And I do like to layer both of these because the e.l.f. one has a pink undertone, but the Fenty Beauty has a golden undertone, so I just mix both of them. going to be blending it out with my Real Technique sponge. So next, I do take 2 setting powders to set under my eyes and all the places that I highlighted. First, I take the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder, and I have mine in the shade Honey. And then I'll be going in with my Laura Mercier setting powder in medium heat. I just take a little bit of the honey powder, and I just press that into the areas that I highlighted. That powder really does brighten up my face, but I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier setting powder in medium heat, and I'm going to set these areas again so they won't be as light, because I don't like a really highlighted under eye, if that makes any sense. So I know I'm looking really ghostly right now, so I'm going to go in with my Ulta Beauty Watermelon Facial Mist and just mist my face so it'll melt all the powders that I have on so far together. So I'm going to do my eyelashes, my eyes now. So I'm going to stop with the face for right now, and I'm going to do the eyes. The 2 mascaras that I use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara for my top lashes, and then for my bottom lashes I use the CoverGirl. But I have to be careful using the CoverGirl sometimes because it does transfer, and the last time I used it, it got on my concealer under my eyes and I was so mad. But I use those 2 mascaras, and then I'm going to be using these Ardell lashes. These are the Mega Volume lashes in 252, and these, I love these lashes. So I'm going to be applying these and I'll be right back. So now that my lashes are on and my eyes are done, we're going to be moving back onto the face. My bronzer I'm going to be taking is the ABH bronzer in Mahogany. And I'm just going to be bronzing up my face with that. I'm be taking my Morphe M527 brush. And for blush, I'm going to be going in again with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Peachy Love. And I'm going to be going in with these two shades right here, and I'm going to be applying these two shades right here and just adding blush to my cheeks. And for that, I'm going to be using the Morphe E4 brush. That is my favorite blush ever. Like, I love that blush right there. So now I'm going to be setting my face with the Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and I have mine in the shade Deep. And then I'm just going to be taking this random Vanity Planet brush and just applying my face powder to my face. So now to melt all the powders together, I will be spraying my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist onto my face. Yeah, if y'all have not gotten that tried that Morphe mist, like, you need it in your life. Like, it just melts all the powders onto your face, just so pretty. I'm about out, like my bottle's about empty, so I need to go pick up 2 more of those because that setting spray is bomb. And yeah, I'm fanning with my Jaclyn Hill palette. That's because I don't have a fan. Like, if y'all know any places to get one of those handheld fans from, or any cute ones, can you comment down below and let me know, because I really need a fan so I can stop using a palette to fan my face during my tutorials. But anyway, moving on to highlight, I think I want to do a mixture. I think I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Awesome Blossom. And then I'm going to be topping that off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter and the Aura, sorry. And then I'm going to be highlighting, I'm going to be taking my Milani All Over Blending Brush. And it's like a dupe for the Anastasia highlighting brush. I'm just going to be highlighting my cheeks and my nose area and spraying that with some Morphe spray before I apply it to my face. Girl. I be getting carried away with highlighter, y'all. Like, seriously, I be getting carried away. I be putting way too much on, but I don't care. I do what I want. Now, loose highlighter is a different thing. Like, this is the first loose highlighter that I've ever gotten, like, I've ever used, and like, I haven't gotten the hang of it yet. Gonna be able to see me from outer space, honey. Yes, we love a highlighting queen. Love that. But not least, we will be doing the lips. And for the lips, I have been doing this combo lately. I've been taking the Pat McGrath lip gloss in the shade Bronze Temptation. This gloss is just so pretty. Like, I will be applying the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb right in the center of that. Ooh, I look cute today. Even though I'm just going to take this off because I got to go to work today, but I look cute. So that is it for me for today. I hope you enjoyed my everyday makeup tutorial. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down at the bottom and become a part of the Courtney crew. And I'll see you in the next one, beauties. Bye.
I'm so into your